Maybe I would like to start with him. Yeah, please. May I request you to come here? What you need to do is, we belong to one family and we did tremendous job today. It's not over here because it's going to take some time to sink into your mind. Learnings are going to keep on coming. Okay. What you need to do is shake hand of each and every person on the team, give a big hug and say loudly, "You did well." Okay. You did well. Shake hand, give big tight hug and say loudly, "You did well." Is it very difficult? No. Yeah, please start. Everyone. Stand up. Everyone. One big group. Everyone, are we through? Okay, thank you very much. Now this is kind of the beginning for the targets which will be there in your office. So this is just the beginning, and the more weight you take on your shoulder, the more strong you are going to become. It's like gym. जिम का पैसा भर के या रिसीट लेके बॉडी बढ़नी चाहिए यार. रिसीट है घर पे लेकिन जिम में जाओगे नहीं तो कुछ नहीं होगा. How your muscle increases in size? It's only when you work out, when you give it some pressure, then only it starts increasing in size. Okay? Leadership is all like that. Leadership can't be learned in your office or in your conference hall or within your house. For that you need to go, accept more targets, accept more work, make yourself strong. What appears like the ultimate delivery game, ये होने वाला नहीं है लगता. And then you still went into it and then you did it. Leadership is like that. Apparently it will appear impossible, then later you will find all that we can do it. Alright? So you all can do it. Thank you very much guys. Thank you.
Great job guys, it's really teamwork, and first of all I would like to thank the team and the team, really good job. We assure you that we'll definitely take away so many things from it.
Absolutely.
The basic is like communication, the things which we wanted to learn as a team. That is the basic behind something. If anybody wants to share something, please.
There was a little bit feeling within organization that probably merging of new people and the old people who are there in the organization will not happen unless the ice is broken. And this is the perfect venue or the opportunity which we thought could be given to all of us so that we can interact with each other, to whom you will probably never meet next 3 months because they are working some other place or some other department or business. But still you have now interacted, now you know there is a guy like that working. So whenever you have work or any kind of requirement, you can always go and reach out to that person, and that's what this is all about. Okay. Thank you very much.
One second.
One simple thought I came to know and I came to understand that this is for ex-BPL people only. So what you did today, entire this activity, what you did, you don't know what is exactly there. We all did it very exactly, very taking very initiatively, passion, everything what we had discussed with Jatin told you, what we did it at the certain level or how to get our task complete in required or in given time. This is exactly what I want to ask, what I want to tell you, that we can do it. Definitely we can do it. Don't underestimate yourself that we could not do it. Whether the things are changing, going to change, the things are changed, that is to a multinational company. So don't bother all these things. We can do it. Cheers.
And international exposure, that means more opportunities. Trust me on this. More opportunities. You'll get to see more and more things. Yeah. So guys, thank you. Thank you very much. I think we are almost on time, 6:30. I think I remember that is the time we wanted to finish it off. All right. Thank you. Thank you.